the direct route problem. Have you ever encountered the problem, how many different direct routes do you have from point A to point B? If we assess this diagram, we could say that from point A to point B, we could have 2 direct routes. Now, how about if we expand the figure? From point A, we have 1 direct route, 2 direct route, and 3 direct route from point A to point B. Given this figure, how many direct routes we have from point A to point B? So we have 1, we have 2, we have 3, and we have 4 direct routes. If we expand the figure further, how many direct routes do we have from point A to point B? Then we could say that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and lastly 6 direct routes from point A to point B. So have you noticed something? The routes actually resembles a figure in which it has junctions. So we could say that at this junction, this is a first junction. The way to solve this mathematically actually is to assign numerical values for junctions. Here we pass ones, and also here we pass ones using the initial route. We carry this 1 over here, but we know that in this junction we have other options. So we add this value into this value, so we get 2. Then in this junction, we add this value to this value, we get 3. Then now, we carry over again 1 from this value. We add value 1 from this value, so we have 3. Then we add this value to this value, we have 6. Indeed, in this type of junction, we have 6 ways or 6 different direct routes from point A to point B. Let's try what we learned. How about if we have this figure? So we identify this figure with these lines forming junctions. Again, the initial value 1. We carry over this 1 here. Then we add this 1 with this 1. So we get 2. We add this 1 with this 1. We get 3. We add this 1 with this 1. We get 4. Then we carry over again 1. Then we add this value with this 1 here. So we get 3. Then 3 plus 3, we get 6. And 6 plus 4, we get 10. In short, this figure or this representation has 10 different direct routes from A to B. Let's try this with manual method. So we say this is first route, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Indeed, this figure has 10 direct routes from point A to point B.